Thinking about emotion, that's one thing I want everybody to understand. Emotions will ruin your life. You gotta learn how to separate your emotions from your dreams and your goals. Because if you're too stuck in your emotions for something that happened in the past, whether it was spending 10 years locked up, or maybe somebody got abused or beaten, or what I'm saying, something, whatever the case may be, but don't dwell on that. Use that as to fuel you and push you forward to be a better person, to do better. Because that's where you draw the line, bro. Like a lot of people that I see, because I'm a barber, I deal with people on a daily basis, and I hear a lot of them speak negative, and all they want to do is bring back that time when they got hurt, when they were betrayed, and they still living there. It's 5-6 years later, but they still hurt about it. Now you got to learn how to separate your feelings from your goals and your dreams and your ambitions, because if you stay dwelling on them feelings, like me right now, if I keep thinking about what hurt me in the past, I would not be the owner of this shop. I would not be about to open this other shop. I would not be the entrepreneur that I am today. Yeah. Because the pain's still there. The pain's still there. The memory's still there. But guess what? I'm looking forward, not backward.